Well, looks like we don't have any choice but to go straight across.
Chance, when will you grow up? That bear could have eaten you. Do you realize how painful that would have been? For the bear?
Oh, go hawk up a hairball.
Oh, yeah, that hurt. Ooh, really hurt.
Sassy, Chance, I'm sorry, but we're going to have to cross here.
But there isn't a bridge here.
Come on.
And I don't see any stepping stones.
Now, wait up.
It's gentle here, Sassy. You can swim across.
I don't have to swim. I have a note.
It's fun to swim. Come on, you'll like it.
Except for the water part.
Come on, you two.
Don't be such a sissy, Sassy.
You know how to swim?
I happen to be a champion dog paddler. Banzai! Oh, that's cold. Oh, that's cold.
It's easy, Sassy.
Cold.
I prefer the dry look.
I think I shrank in there.
Please don't make that noise, Sassy. I'll come back and swim beside you.
Oh, don't bother. I'll find my own way across.
The water just gets worse further down. Where is she? Sassy!
I can't believe what they want me to do. Just so they can have the pleasure of my company.
She just doesn't want to get wet, you know. She can swim. She can.
She won't. 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 Ah, this is more like it. I'm so clever, I amaze myself.
Will you look at that?
Cats rule and dogs drool.
Jumping
Cats
rocks.
rule.
Typical cat move.
Good girl, Sassy.
Dogs
All right?
Never better. Never better. Cold, cold, cold. Oh. Ah, yes.
Well, good work.
Oh, I just had this coat cleaned.
Sassy?
Oh, help, help.
Sassy's in the river, Chance.
Shadow. Oh, no, no. Oh.
Hang on, Sassy!
Sassy, I got her. Keep your head above water.
Oh, Shadow. Shadow, Shadow, help me. Help. Shadow, please!
Sassy, swim! Swim hard!
Please! Help!
Sassy! Sassy!
Shadow!
Oh, no.
Did you find her? Where is she?
I couldn't reach her, but we've got to keep trying. Hurry. Maybe she made it to the other side.
I don't see her, Shadow. Do you?
No, it swallowed her up.